Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I just want to talk briefly about errors. Errors are just simple notifications that actually occurs when using Microsoft Excel. Actually, when mistakes are made during entering values in the process of calculation. And there are certain ways we can fix these errors. Now, before we learn about those ways how we can fix those errors, let's first get to know about the different type of errors that occurs when using a Microsoft Excel. Let's use this simple word, re-enter those men. There's one we call as div. These errors always occur when you divide a value, a counting value by what? A counting number by zero. Let's give it a trial. Divide by zero. Then you enter div zero. That is one type of error we have. The best way of fixing it is just you should divide that number with a known number, with a number other than zero, starting from one and above. This one we have as and hey, not applicable. This always occur when you're actually dealing with a function called VLOOKUP. When you're actually looking for a value which does not exist within what your table. And there's what we call as number. Now with as number or as actually before we look at as number, let's look at as name. This occurs when actually Excel does not recognize your text or formulas. Let's take for example, let's take for example, let's use this formula first. Sum then you just enter straight away. You enter. This is simply how this thing occurs. And there's one we have as ref. Now with as ref occurs when you have entered a wrong self reference. Now take example. Let us divide this one. Let us divide B2 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 by A1. B2 by A1. See. And actually the simple way of fixing this error is just you need to divide it with cell reference which is valid. Thank you so much for listening to me.